Welcome to our current affairs channel. पढ़ाई करो, करो तैयारी जीत की. Today's topic is 21st Annual India-Russia Summit. 21st Annual India-Russia Summit was held recently. It was attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Russian President Vladimir Putin. Alongside the inaugural 2+2 ministerial meeting was also held. The meeting saw the signing of 28 agreements across sectors from defense, energy, space exploration, science and technology, heavy engineering to trade and investment. The key takeaways are: Russia's President Vladimir Putin extended an invitation to PM Modi to visit Russia for the 22nd India-Russia Annual Summit in 2022. The two leaders expressed satisfaction at the sustained progress in the special and privileged strategic partnership between both countries, despite the challenges posed by the COVID. The role of connectivity through the international North-South Transport Corridor and the proposed Chennai-Vladivostok Eastern Maritime Corridor figured in the discussions. The two leaders looked forward to greater inter-regional cooperation between various regions of Russia, in particular with the Russian Far East, with India's states. They agreed that both countries share common perspectives and concerns on Afghanistan and appreciated the bilateral roadmap charted out at the NSA level for consultation and cooperation on Afghanistan. The significance of the meeting: the completion of 5 decades of the 1971 Treaty of Peace, Friendship and Cooperation and 2 decades of Declaration on Strategic Partnership is symbolic of the long-standing and time-tested India-Russia relations, characterized by mutual trust, respect for each other's core national interests, and similarity of positions on various international and regional issues. The 2+2 dialogue. It is held between the foreign and defense ministers of two countries and is generally seen to be aimed at creating a mechanism under which the bilateral relationship takes a decisive strategic turn with greater integration of defense, security and intelligence apparatus. Why is Russia important for India? Even as India is diversifying its defense trade partners, Russia still dominates the Indian defense inventory to the tune of about 70%. Russia remains the only partner that is still willing to give India critical technologies such as a nuclear submarine. The emerging Russia-China strategic relationship has important security consequences for India. Russia also reaffirmed its unwavering support to India for a permanent seat in an expanded UN Security Council. Russia expressed its support for India's membership of the Nuclear Suppliers Group. Both countries have mutual benefits in supporting struggle against terrorism, Afghanistan, climate change, organizations like SCO, BRICS, G20 and ASEAN. That's all today on this topic. Stay tuned for regular updates and don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. पढ़ाई करो, करो तैयारी जीत की.